Yeah. Ain't claiming I'm better than the rest, just should be facing the same test. No guessing why I'm making less. Let's digress, increase the press, seek less, neatness, let it digest. Clean my mess, raise my highness. Step to the one-liners, left the blinders, theft to the kinders. ID to the minors, autograph to the signers. Perfect to the timers, found to the finders. Lethal to the rhymers. Beat driven, living, make them all unforgiving. Upwards from grave digging, messages sending, bringing shots slinging, realer shit to the plot singing. Big missings, a lot of snot flicking. Real top block streaks with my walk. Tell time written, read the clock. Weak line stop, open shop. Prey on peons like a hawk. Origins of originals, not a mock. Fake copy what the game sought. Lost in finds to get me mines. Done up grinds, red lies and lines. Long dimes, get caught up in deep thought climbs. Got a nauseous thought process. More stationary than any office. Cautious on heavy offers. Written in blue, black or red. Print what I said, a poisonous lead. Keeping me well fed. Pages and gauges, too many majors. Natures of haters trying to cage us. Vapors that caters to all ages. Favors to laters. Missing links of things synced in ink. Blink to a mix, get taken for misleading winks. Badass mad with a pen and pad. Ending fake fad, ain't too many sad. Be glad, red tight jeans and plaid. No fear with every flick of my wrist. Evolutional gorilla in a mist. Soviet Unions rule with an iron fist. Tisk tisk piss on any top-notch list. Y'all get the gist, be as real as it gets. Giving the death signs, keeping kind to the rewinds. Meantime, leave fine, see why. Everybody knowing me know I be death poetry, so y'all can see the soul in me. Toll the fee. Unforgiven legion all day till next Monday.